In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to do notes on Messenger. You can simply share notes on Messenger in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Messenger app. On the chat page, you will have to tap right here on this plus icon just above your profile picture. Then share your thought as you can see. Tap on share and it will get shared to your Messenger profile. Your Messenger friends are able to see your shared note for 24 hours. If you don't have the note option, you will have to first update your Messenger app. Then you will see the option of leave a note. That's how easy it is to add notes to your Messenger account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.